Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, anywhere you're watching from Canada, US. Today I'll be doing a review in Nondon Estate Phase 3, so stay tuned. Sold. Sold.
This one sold too.
This one sold. Okay. So this is the central water system. So we'll be checking this one out. It's already sold, but we'll just check it out. So you see the type of material they are using and the quality you're going to get once you subscribe. And you can see it's a built-up environment. Though this house there is Oasis Estate. So you can see the space. You can park 1, 2, 3, 4. You can park 4 cars here. Hold on, sir. So you can see hold on. Yeah. Okay, this is the dining area. Then this is the sitting room. You can see it has 1, 2, 3 windows. This one 4 windows. Then probably that's the kitchen. So you came here. This is the ante room. Then this is the staircase. You can see the design of the staircase. Then we have one room downstairs here. So let's go out so you see. So this is the type of roofing sheets they are using. So you come here, this is like the mini parlor and the sit out, the parlor upstairs. So this is the master's bedroom. You can see how spacious it is. So it comes with a flat roof. Then this is the bedroom. So this is another room, making it 3, and this making it 4. And also this one is making it 5. 5 bedrooms. You can see the roof. You can see they are using good quality wood and the conduits. Now I come to the end of this video. So if this interests you and you want to be a homeowner here in Enugu, you can reach me with the number somewhere on the screen. Let's get you started. Thanks for watching my video and see you in the next video. Bye bye.